So today, as a first class, we are going to see why templates are used and how they can be used. Basically, what happens is in a program, algorithm is very, very important. When you want to apply an algorithm for a variety of types, different types, like integers, floats, double, or any other class for that matter, then we need to have templates. Otherwise, you have to write the same algorithm for different types based on your requirement. When you write something like this, then there is a possibility that you will end up in making mistakes. So, as old saying goes, do not invent the wheel again because it is already existing. So basically, that is the reason why we need a template in our program. So why do we use it? Okay, we just seen, but now how can we use it? Okay, for example, you have two parameters, two integers that you want to add. Then you write a function like this, okay, integer add in increase. But on the other hand, when you want to write, when you want to add two floats, then you write a function similar to this. But problem is when you want to write something for double, then are we going to add one more function, a comma b? Because basically, if you look at it, the algorithm that we are talking about is the same in all the cases. For example, this is the algorithm to add two integers. The two numbers, okay, it doesn't matter which type it is. So it is the same goes for this also. So are we going to rewrite the function for every type? That is the question we need to ask. That is where this template will come in very handy. For example, okay, if you want to write something like this, okay, instead of writing each and every function for each type, what you can do is template type name T. So here, T. So in this case, if you look at it, then it holds good. Okay, so this one can make sure that any type that you pass in, then it will give you the right return. So you don't need to write the add function for each type, each basic type or each class that you deal with. So now for this case, you see the templates will not be matching because here if you look at it, type T is used as a parameter type TT. So that means this function will expect that we need two integers to be passed. Okay, so when we have a mixer in numbers, then what do we do? Okay, that one we will deal with later. Okay, so now when I build it, then I see that it succeeds, and then when I run it, it also succeeds. Okay. This is the main purpose of the template, right? Okay. So lesson we will see mostly like okay how we can use mixed numbers to be added and how we can develop on this template.